everybody, I'm Tammy at All About Living, and today we're gonna make a chocolate pudding cake. And you do it in the crock pot, so you don't have to stand around and watch and wait on it. And you know, Randy's been after me for something chocolate. I want something chocolate, something chocolate. Well, if y'all watch my channel for any length of time, we don't have, what are you doing? We don't have an oven, so I have to get really creative about how I make stuff. What are you doing? Ignore him. All right, let's go ahead and get started. Everything's gonna happen right here. All right, you're supposed to use one cake mix. You know, any kind of chocolate cake mix you like. I have devil's food cake. Well, the recipe says you need an 18.5 ounce box. Well, I don't know if this is some serious shrinkflation or what, but this box is only 9 ounces. So I'm gonna have to use 2 boxes to make up for the 1. So in goes my 2 boxes of chocolate. Next, you're gonna need some chocolate instant pudding. You need 1 pack of that. Whoops, and we're just gonna drop that right in there too. All right, that's all our dry ingredients. Now we need 1 cup of water. And now I made that little well in the middle just because my granny always did when she made biscuits, if she made batter, if she made anything, she always made a well in the middle for the water. And it's to keep so much of it from sticking to the side before you start really mixing it together. It just works out better. All right, we're gonna crack these eggs. I always, you know, even if I get a little eggshell in there, it's not the end of the world. But I have always cracked my eggs together. It's just the way I do it. You know, I see people doing it on the side of the bowl or in a different bowl. That's just a waste of life. I just do it just like this. I rarely ever get a shell. Okay, and the last one, I'm just gonna pop on my cutting board and drop that egg. That's a total of 4 eggs. All right, now you need a whole tub of sour cream. A whole 16-ounce tub. There we go. Now get it all. Okay, this is going to be a super, super moist cake. There we go. As you tell, you need a pretty good sized bowl to mix this in. So just keep that in mind. You're gonna need a good deep bowl. And I'm just gonna mix this just a little bit so that that cake mix and pudding mix doesn't fly everywhere when I put that blender in there, or mixer. All right, all that goodness off. Let's get started. And you'll need to blend for 2 minutes. All right. I'm sorry guys, if y'all watch my channel at all, you know sometimes I skip ingredients. I missed the butter, okay? So you need a 1/2 cup of butter. And we're gonna drop that in there and then continue to mix. Okay, now we're gonna get this scrape down, make sure everything is in there and there's none like stuck anywhere. There we go. Yeah, looks good. Look good. Okay, now we're going to get this sprayed. I don't particularly love this spray, and I don't use it any time except if I'm going to make something sticky in a crock pot. That's the only thing I ever use it for. I just don't like it. I don't like the ingredients. But you pick your battles, and I don't want to scrub my crock pot. So that's what we're doing. Now we're just going to, that's it. We're going to spray it. And we're gonna pour. All right. And we are absolutely gonna clean the sides. All in there. There we go. Randy will finish the rest of that. All right, now. Y'all don't throw these away. They're perfectly good for leftovers. Randy uses them out in his shed. We put little stickers on them that say screws or nails or whatever, and then what size they are. I mean, they're just good for so many things, and there's no reason to throw them in the landfill. They're perfectly good. I'm gonna get my lid on my crock pot. At some point, I'm lined up. Sure. There it goes. I don't know. All right. I'm going to put it on the slow cook button, and it automatically is going to show me 6 hours, but I don't need 6 hours. I'll start checking at 3. Okay, I'm at my 3-hour mark now. We're going to get this open and do the toothpick test. Open. Oh, yeah. We are done. Randy's excited. Look at that. Oh, yeah. We're good. It said that there would be some. There's just a little, but it's dry. So we are ready to serve. Okay, let's get us a spoonful of this goodness. I don't know what I'm doing. Top it off. We're gonna put some ice cream. Okay, on my slow cooker, it took exactly that 3 hours, but you need to keep watch on yours, depending on what kind of crock pot you have.
That's just like cake.
It is cake.
It's not in an oven kind of cake.
Right, it's not an oven cake.
I mean, oh goodness. Anyway, no, this is like utterly good.
Yeah.
Mm.
I guess you'll want seconds, huh?
Oh yeah.
Y'all have a wonderful, wonderful day. Y'all give this a try. Bye.